In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add technical rating strategy in TradingView Pro. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get this strategy running on your charts, even if you're pretty new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market you like: stocks, crypto, forex, or indices. Once your chart is open and you can see the price candles, we're ready to start adding the strategy. On the TradingView interface, look toward the top of the chart for the section where you normally add indicators or strategies. You should see an option related to indicators, and within that same area there's a tab or section called Strategies. Go ahead and click on Strategies. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in backtesting tools. If you don't see it right away, expand the Indicators menu and make sure you're on the Strategies tab, not the Standard Indicators tab. After you click on Strategies, a list of available strategies will appear. These are pre-built scripts that TradingView can use to simulate trades on your chart. In that list, scroll until you find the one called Technical Rating Strategy. The names are usually in alphabetical order or grouped by category, so take a moment to scan carefully. Once you see Technical Rating Strategy, click on it once. As soon as you click it, TradingView will automatically apply the strategy to your current chart. You'll notice a few changes. Trade entries and exits may appear on the chart, and a new panel, usually at the bottom, will open showing the strategy tester results such as net profit, number of trades, and other performance metrics. If the panel doesn't pop up right away, look for a tab labeled Strategy Tester at the bottom of your screen and click it to bring it into view. From here, you can explore how the technical rating strategy behaves on different timeframes and different symbols by simply changing the chart's timeframe or the asset you're looking at. This makes it a handy tool for quickly evaluating how a technical-based approach might have performed historically. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to these features with fewer limitations, use the link in my description to sign up and unlock the full experience.